Hey, coming at you with some Amazon purchases that are thumbs up. Let's go down under the deck. And we've got some storage in here. The goal is to use all of it in a good way. So from Amazon, this wooden tray, which I'll link in the description. It's just the right size to kind of take advantage of this spot. Let's check out the one on the other side too. Same deal, utilize all that space. And here's tray 2 with full load there. So yeah, use all that under the deck space, a wise thing. All right, here's the second purchase, was this little table, which I heard recommended on Adventuring with Amanda, so shout out to her for that. And this table makes a really good, real comfortable workspace here just for leaning over, working on the iPad and, editing, etc. Got the camcorders, the GoPros, etc. All right, so that's it. Those two things, double thumbs up. All right, we'll see ya.